We are all going to entertain at some point. You have a light affair, friends come over, especially during the spring and summer. And what do you serve? Well, we know I'm not the cooking guy. I'm not really domestic. What I do well and try to teach people to do well is elevate the visuals. So we're going to do a charcuterie board, which is kind of my standard when my friends or guests or loved ones come over. And I'm going to show you how to put one together and elevate it from okay to fantastic. Let's go. So we've completed our charcuterie board and we are ready for summer entertaining to have your friends over. We're going to recap. You had the first thing I want you to think about is elevation, having elevations in whatever display you're doing. Secondly, I want you to think about fillers, what you're filling it with outside of the meats and cheeses or crackers and salsa. Third thing is I want you to think about pops of color, all the different colors that you can bring in, because remember, we eat with our eyes, especially me. And fourth thing is definitely all the layering, so the underneath layering that you're going to start with and then kind of pile on top. That is a great way to have your friends over, entertain regardless of the season, and definitely elevate your displays.